Alright guys, it's a little after Black Friday, Cyber Monday and all that stuff, but this is the only thing I picked up, and the only reason I picked this up, it was 39 bucks. $39 Android tablet. How much is this thing gonna suck? Comes with Google Kidspace. I'm assuming this is something that Walmart just puts out. It's called the ONN tablet, by the way. Walmart puts this out, 39 bucks. Come and get them for your kid. 39 bucks if something happens to it. You don't feel too bad if they break it. Powered by Android. 7-inch LCD, 2.2 gigahertz octo-core processor, 3 gigs of RAM, 10 hours of battery life, 32 gigs of storage. Ooh, takes an SD card. Slim and lightweight aluminum body. That's not how you pronounce that word in America. Comes with Google Kidspace and YouTube Kids app. That means buy this for a kid. Okay, specs. 7-inch by 600 IPS LCD touchscreen, gigahertz octa-core processor. That sounds like garbage. 32 gigabytes of storage with expandable memory card, up to 10 hours of battery life. Even that's pretty crappy. 2 megapixel front-facing camera and 2 megapixel rear-facing camera. That is awful. What's in the box? One 7-inch tablet, one charger, one USB-C charging. Well, at least it's got USB-C, memory card ejection pin, and a quick start guide. Let's set this cheap thing up and see how bad it actually is. We don't feature a lot of tech stuff on the channel, but for $39, we're featuring it on the channel. Let's get at it. All right, guys, I'm just going to put this out there from the get-go. It's got a plug, okay? For $39, if they can include a plug, so can your phone for $1,100 or $1,300 or $1,800, whatever your phone costs. Why can't you include the brick? You're being cheap. Here is the tablet itself. Let's pull this off of here. It doesn't look great, but $39. What do you want? Wow. You see the top of the light box there reflecting down. Here is the back of the unit. I mean, it already looks kind of bad, fresh out of the box. But I got a full 2 megapixels to work with here, so let's get to it. Where's your power button? Right here. ONN. We turned it on. Awful. Android Go Edition. That sounds awful as well. What's the brightness on this thing? I'm gonna have to walk through setup real quick on this, and just so you can see it. Even the screen is so low quality right now, you can't even tell that it's on. You can see some stuff moving there. The light's reflecting off of it, so you're not getting the whole thing. Let me see. Can I? Hi there. All right. Let me set this up real quick so it doesn't... I'm not going to sign into it, but I'm going to set it up so it's fully functional. All right, so here we go. Let me just say this. Hold on a second. Sorry, I hit the button on there. Use without a Google account. All right. Look at the friggin' bezels on this thing. This is 7 inches, but I guarantee you this screen is not 7 inches with those bezels on there. Those bezels are humongous. So look at how much screen real estate you're actually getting. Let's get into... Let's play a video. Hold on a second. I'm trying to do this with one hand and shoot with the other. Welcome to Google Go, it says.
What can I do for you? Speak into the phone.
That sounds awful. No, stop. Where's YouTube? Alright, so we got, trying to load up YouTube. Allow, it doesn't matter, it's a piece of junk. Let me shoot this here. Whoa, it's slow. Mr. Movie Elf. Helps if I type. It's hard to do with a reflection. Let's see if it comes up. There is the Mr. Movie Elf channel. There is the Mr. Movie Elf trailer if you haven't seen it before. Loading, 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 loading. Oh, thanks for the commercial I'm not getting paid for. Wow. There we go. There's the Mr. Movie Elf channel.
Guys, check out the Mr. Movie Elf channel on YouTube.
Audio's
This is
actually
some of the
not-
stuff that we're going to be looking at.
I mean, it's
and
loud.
so many more things. This is, of course, Boba Fett from my personal collection. Here is a Mystery Rocksteady.
Let's turn that down. Okay, so the audio quality, well, is kind of shoddy. It's loud. It's loud and shoddy. So it is slow, as you can tell. That's not just my Wi-Fi. And look, I lost YouTube somehow. All right. Brightness is mediocre. I mean, that's turned up almost all the way. Not great. All right. Now, I know I'm shooting this with my phone, so you're not getting the best experience with this. Get back. Go. Ha. Hiya. I mean, it's 39 bucks. It's for you to toss at a kid and say, here, watch YouTube all day. That's what it is. And if something happens to it, see? I mean, it's pretty solid. But it's 39 bucks. And you know what? I'm not even going to like run a screen test on this or anything. Here is the SD card spot for it. I should check. Sorry. The quality of the camera, but it's going to be hard for me to show that to you whilst I'm filming with my phone. What are you doing? This thing is a piece of junk. All right. You know what? I don't even need to show you the camera. It's bad. All right. 39 bucks. Throw it at a kid that's 5 years old. They won't know the difference. Anything above 5 and they're going to see it. All right. So if you're buying this for you, bad idea. Buying it for a kid, 5 years old, I think. That's it. All right. I'm not going to run a speed test on this. I'm not going to show you camera quality. Just assume everything's garbage. All right. Guys, let me know what you think of this first video about tablets on the channel. I don't feature a lot of tech stuff because it's kind of a, what's the word I'm looking for? It interferes with my day job. How's that? So we don't talk about that. But I don't sell these where I work, so it's not really causing any issues. But it's a bad device. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you like this kind of video, tell me, and I'll see what else I can get out for you. So that's it. That was my Black Friday, Cyber Monday purchase. 39 bucks for a tablet. You can already see it's showing fingerprints everywhere. It's bad. It's a bad device. Guys, I'll talk to you soon. Later.